Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the 21-day challenge. I just wanted to give you some information this morning. There's a lot at the beginning to get used to. It takes about 3 weeks to really get your stride. So just wanted to give you a little bit of information today. I encourage you to post a sweaty selfie every day and tag your partner in the comment section below the daily post. That way you can keep up with your workouts and your partner will know that you've done them. I encourage you to check in with your partner every day because today we start for points. The points really don't matter unless you want them to, but there is a prize in the end, and it does add another point of accountability for you and your partner. If you guys are in a group of 3, it's even harder because you get partner points for doing all the workouts consecutively. So if everybody does their workout, then you get bonus points, but all 3 of you will have to do it instead of just 2 of you. So that ups the ante a little bit. So good luck with you guys. I am so excited for this challenge. I want to encourage you all to work within your limits. Don't push yourself. Last month I was sick and still am, as you can hear from my voice. I had to sit the entire round out. I worked out 3 days and then I was out and down for the count. You have to listen to your body. You don't want to overtrain. You don't want to injure yourself. We all live really busy lives and it's very important that we maintain that. So make sure that if you are feeling that you're just pushing yourself to the limits, that you listen to your body, take a walk that day, do something. 30 minutes of any exercise counts, but I do encourage you to follow your program. These programs are really, really made for a reason, and they're organized in a certain manner to get you the best results in the smallest amount of time. So please follow the program as much as you possibly can. The diet portion of this program is 80% of your success. You can work yourself into the ground doing these workouts, and that's only 20%. So make sure that you are following your diet plan or that you are modifying what you're eating. I know some of you have dietary restrictions or preferences. If you guys need alternatives, please reach out to me. That's what me and Cassie are here for, and we're happy to help. I also want to encourage everyone to stay hydrated. Make sure you're giving your body the fluid that it needs. Not only do you need to fuel it, you need to also hydrate it. So make sure you're drinking extra water. These workouts are tough. They're 30 minutes, but they're no joke. So make sure that you're getting that extra fluid in. If you are drinking Shakeology, which I hope you are, please drink it every day consecutively. It really does help to curb your hunger, your cravings, and it helps your digestion. So when you're changing your diet, you're going to be having all kinds of different things happening with your body mechanisms. So make sure that you get that Shakeology in every day. You need those nutrients, and it will really help your digestive system to adjust to your new eating. I want to encourage everybody to be open in this group. Be vulnerable, ask questions, reach out if you need to, yell, shout, scream. If you're having a rough day, let us know. We're here for you. And I'm so happy that you're here. So Cassie and I are super pumped for the next 21 days. We're here every step of the way. Let us know what you need and we'll do our best to get you an answer or get you information. I am super pumped. Let's do this. Let's shred it up for the springtime and the summer. I'm ready to get a new body on, so I hope you are too. And I hope you're really ready for this. This is awesome, and I'm so glad that you chose this for you. Talk to you soon.